Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Eurasian jay. From their stylish feathers to their amusing intelligence, Eurasian jays are charming and entertaining avian companions with fascinating behaviors. Did you know that they are called scattered brain? Yet, are very intelligent. Let's learn about the behaviors and characteristics of this beautiful bird species. Appearance. Eurasian jays are a species of passerine birds in corvid family, that means related to the crows and magpies. They measure around 34 and 35 centimeters, that is about 13 to 14 inches in length. They have a vibrant plumage featuring shades of a pinkish-brown body with a bluish-gray mantle and black and white barring on its wings and tail. One of their most notable features is the beautiful sky blue patch on its wings, called a wing bar. Jays have a prominent crest of feathers on the top of their heads that can be raised or lowered depending on their mood. Their eyes are pale blue or bluish-gray in color. This combination of colors makes them quite eye-catching. Both males and female look similar, but females tend to be slightly larger. Habitat. Jays have a vast distribution across Europe, Asia, and northern Africa, ranging from the British Isles in the west to parts of China and Japan in the east. They exhibit very little migration between the areas in their range, instead preferring to stay in the same place with plenty of food. Eurasian jays are commonly associated with deciduous trees and oak forests. They can also be found in a variety of other habitats including parks, gardens, and farmland. As long as there is suitable cover and a supply of food, they prefer oak trees. Dense trees often provides them with best nesting sites. Behavior and intelligence. The Eurasian jay is no birdbrain, it's a genius in the avian world. These feathered, clever and crafty birds have shown remarkable problem-solving abilities, using tools like sticks to extract tasty morsels from tree bark. They've got brains and brawn. Jays are naturally curious birds and are often drawn to investigate unusual items or changes in their environment. They are known for their playfulness and have been observed engaging in games such as picking up and dropping objects repeatedly or chasing each other in a playful manner. In captivity, jays have shown interest in mirrors, sometimes mistaking their own reflection for another bird and displaying social behaviors toward it. Jays can be very fun to observe. They like bathing, and sometimes take baths in unconventional places, like rain gutters or puddles, where you might not expect to find a bird splashing around. Eurasian jays are not just skilled at hiding food, they are also capable of engaging in tactical deception. Studies have shown that these jays can pretend to hide food when they're being watched by potential thieves. They fake the caching behavior by mimicking the movements and sounds associated with hiding food, but they don't actually deposit anything. This deceptive behavior helps them protect their real food caches from potential theft. Another interesting behavior is scent marking. Jays have specialized glands near the base of their tail that can secrete a musky odor. It's suggested that this scent might play a role in territorial marking or communication. Communication. Eurasian jays have a unique feather arrangement in their wings that allows them to produce a distinctive rustling sound while flying. This can potentially serve as a communication signal to other jays. If you're looking for a bird with a gift of chatter, the Eurasian jay is your go-to pal. They have an extensive vocabulary of calls, including screeches, rattles, and even mimicry of other birds' songs. They could give a parrot a run for its money in a bird karaoke competition. Not only can the Eurasian jay mimic other bird calls, but it's also capable of imitating other sounds it hears in its environment. Some jays have been known to mimic human voices, barking dogs, or even the sound of chainsaws. These birds are also known for their complex social behaviors and vocalizations that help serve various purposes, including communication within their group, alerting others to the presence of predators, and maintaining contact while foraging. Diet and feeding behavior. These omnivorous birds are food fanatic. When it comes to food, jays have an adventurous palate. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet enthusiast, devouring acorns, nuts, seeds, berries, insects, and even the occasional delicacy of small vertebrates. It's like having a food critic with feathers. They are intelligent birds known for caching food, imitating calls of other birds, and using tools. While the Eurasian jays may have a noble appearance, they have a sneaky side too. Jays have been observed stealing eggs from other bird nests, earning them a reputation as egg thieves. It's like having a feathered bandit with a flair for grand heists. They are famous for their caching behavior. Jays have a special love affair with acorns. They play a crucial role in the bird's diet and caching behavior. In fact, they are known to stash thousands of acorns during the autumn, helping them survive through the winter months. It's like having a pantry stocked with nature's snacks. While they are great at caching food, they are scatterbrained and don't always have the best memory. Sometimes, these forgetful birds can't seem to remember where they buried all their precious acorns. It's like having a scatterbrained squirrel who stashes nuts all over the place and then can't find them when hunger strikes. Jays are also nature's little gardeners. By caching acorns and seeds and occasionally forgetting to retrieve them, they unintentionally help with reforestation and spreading new tree growth. They're seed-planting superheroes. Nesting and breeding. The Eurasian jay knows how to build a cozy home. They fashion their nests with twigs, sticks, and roots, lined with softer materials like feathers or fur, creating a comfy abode for their feathered family. It's like a bird version of an architect designing a dream treehouse. They are masters of secrecy when it comes to nesting. They carefully choose hidden locations for their nests, often tucked away in dense foliage or nestled among branches. Jays are monogamous, and typically breed from April to June. The female lays a clutch of 4 to 6 eggs, which she incubates for about 16 to 20 days. They know the importance of family ties. During breeding season, both parents work together to raise their brood of fluffy chicks. It's like a bird version of a sitcom, with parental teamwork and adorable little jay actors. Despite their secretive tendencies, Eurasian jays are fiercely protective of their territories and nests. If a predator or threat approaches, they will boldly defend their domain, issuing warning calls and dive flying at intruders. It's like having a feisty guardian angel watching over the woodland realm. Social behavior. Eurasian jays are known for their defensive behavior called mobbing. When they encounter potential predators, such as owls or hawks, they gather in groups and make loud calls while flying around the predator. This behavior is thought to help expose the predator's location and reduce the threat to the jays and other birds in the area. Their social structure allows for cooperative behaviors and information sharing within the group. They also use their crest to communicate with other birds. In addition to their crest, jays utilize a number of different positions, movements, and calls to communicate. They will extend the wings outward when expressing submissive behavior. Jays have shown the ability to learn from observing the behaviors of other individuals. This includes learning about the locations of food caches from watching other jays hide food. Predators and threats. Eurasian jays face predation from various animals, including mammals, birds of prey such as eagles, owls, kestrels, and snakes. In gardens and backyards, domestic cats are known to hunt them. When threatened, a group of jays will mob and harass the predator and attempt to drive it off. Mimicry may help confuse or frighten the predator as well. Eurasian jays try to avoid open space as much as possible where predators may lurk. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or would like me to talk about other birds, please write a comment. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of birds you can see in your garden. Until next time, have a beautiful day.